BetaFPV P1, reaching for the sky. Lava 2 LiPos, fully charged today. VR04 goggles showing me the way. Windows down, the sunshine glows. Where this journey ends, nobody knows. Take it slow, let your worries fade. Every little turn is a memory we've made. Feel the wind, let your spirit rise. Freedom's waiting in these open skies. Flying free, just you and me, above the pine trees where we're meant to be. Country miles rolling far below, following wherever the cool winds blow. Golden sunshine on our wings, every flight brings simple things. From muddy ponds to endless blue, every mile feels brand new. Crossing rivers, fields of green, the prettiest places that we've ever seen. Barns and back roads, winding streams, live in every one of our flying